Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will show you what you can find in Lemoncraft Mystery Box. This is the box from April. This is the monthly kit which you can purchase on the Lemoncraft page. This box is called The Warmth of Peace. Each box comes with a mood board, some words from Anna, owner and creator of the kit, and with the information where you can order your next kit. Inside you will find beautiful pieces and papers matching the mood board and matching each other. If you have purchased the box and you don't want to see what is inside, you want to have a surprise, please skip this video. Everything is beautifully wrapped. I will show you all pieces which are included in the box, and at the end of the video I will show you how to put together a 3D element which you can find in your kit. It is a 3D card which has a book shape, and the instruction of assembling it you can find at the end of this video. To start assembling that beautiful book-shaped card, we need to take the elements out of the sheet first. So we've got lots of strips, some smaller, some bigger, a frame and the book base. I'm not going to use glue here now yet because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that base later, but I suggest you to use glue if you want your base just keep together. But I want to show you how to assemble it. So first of all, take all the pieces out of the chipboard sheet, and then I'm going to start with the smaller strips. Some at the end of them, some has the hole and the other end has like a bump. You actually put them together like puzzle pieces, you could say. The book has lovely stretchable binding, you can say. Sorry for my English, I just cannot speak properly today. But like I said, just do it slowly and then you will be fine. The last piece I did put upside down. It just worked better for me. I'm not using glue, but I suggest to use glue if you will be if you will be assembling that piece. It is really a lovely base. I'm going to create a dimensional composition in the frame. I probably will cover the frame with the paper, and then I'm going to decorate the top of the book like I usually do on my cards. I hope you like the content of the box. It has some beautiful pieces. Even if you are scrapbooking for a while and you have lots of embellishments, this would be a fantastic additional to your collection, and also an amazing gift if your friends have birthdays, or just if you want to give someone something special, this would be perfect. So I cannot wait to see what you will create it with the kit. Please tag Lemoncraft or Emilia Sieradzan on social media, then I will be able to see your projects. Thank you very, very much for today. I wish you all the best. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!